What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a product that a company sent out to me that they want me to try out and review. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion, which I always do here on this channel. Anything a company send me, anything that I have, I always give you my honest opinion, so that if it's good or if it's bad, you can give it a try for yourself, because it's only my opinion. I'm only giving you a little, a little heads up about it. But if it's something good, of course I want you to get it, because it's pretty cool what I have. And now I'm on here to share it with you all. But even if it's not that good, it may not be that for me, but it may be good for you. Okay, so the product that I'm going to be showing you all today, which is something that I really love to wear around the house. I wear these more than I wear bedroom shoes around the house. And for me, I just do not like to walk around my home without any socks or bedroom shoes or anything like that on. I mean, am I the only one like that? Let me know in the comments. Okay. All right. This is the product. Now, it came in the package. I did not open it. I just opened this package. I didn't open the actual package. This is the actual package. It is by, I hope you can see that, Cozy Offie. This is their product, and I have the color, I have like the dark color. They do have, I think, like a tan color. May have other colors as well, but I just chose these are the colors that I did choose. And I haven't felt them. I haven't even seen how they felt or anything, so I'm doing this firsthand with you all, and I'm going to put them on my feet so you all can see it. All right, let's try the green ones. Ooh, just like I like it. I love fuzzy socks. I call them fuzzy socks. I don't know what y'all call them. And then it has like the no slid little rubber pieces at the bottom, so that you can't slide off the on the floor. These are good for like also too for women who may be going into the hospital for labor or for surgery. They always give you socks anyway, but these are really good to have, I think, for you, the no skid. So they do look like I could wear them, and I guess they're stretchable to your size, because I think it says no, I thought maybe it was one size fit all, which it probably is. But this is how it looks. It has a little gold around the edges, and this is the 100 green. So I'm going to put it on my foot so you all can see. I don't want to show my toes because I haven't polished them. All right, I'm putting them on. Ooh, ooh. All right, let me show y'all how it looks. Okay, so this is how it feels really good, y'all. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to hide these because my baby like to wear these as well. Now I may give her a pair, but these feel really good. I'm gonna put the other one on. Okay, put this one on. And you see the no skid on the bottom. Oh, y'all, I really like these. Yeah, the skids helps when you cannot fall. So yeah, I give these a go. Let me go try it on another color. So these are the black ones that I have on, and I do like how they feel when I walk. So yeah, as I'm walking, these do feel really comfortable. They're really good, and like I said, the skid marks are really good from helping you, keep you from sliding on the floor. So I give this a go. You guys, I'm going to put the link down, of course, in the description for these particular socks. Thank you so much, Cozy Offie, for sending me these products. I really love them. Of course, I will be wearing them every day because I call them fuzzy socks. But you guys, it's going to be it for this video. I will see you in the next one.